Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to find out your Telegram user ID and username. Friends, to find out username is easily you can find out your username, right? But user ID, it will be very tough to find out sometimes for new users. So my friends, I'll show you in this video username and user ID how you can find out, right? So for this you have to go on Telegram app. After that, my friends, simply you have to tap on here on the triple straight line at the top left corner, then tap on settings. Then my friends, you'll find out the username easily here. See this one username, right? At the false if you set up before your username, but if you don't set up, you will not find your username, right? But here you will not find your user ID. So how you can find it user ID? So for this you have to go back because you have to go on the chats. If you use iPhone, you'll find the chat options on the middle. After that you have to tap on the search option. Now you have to write here raw data bot. Now my friends, you can see here raw data bot and 13,044 monthly users. This is for me because I have opened the raw data bot a couple of times. That's why it's shown like that. But for you, it will show here, and on the down it will written also the raw data bot. It will be written like that. Right, my friends? On the top side it will be shown raw data bot, and the down side it will be shown also the raw data bot. Now it has shown at that raw info bot. This is another one, but for the first time it will show also raw data bot at the down. So now I'll tap on here. Then my friends, if you use the first time it will show here start, but for my case it will written here restart. Just tap on here. See my friends, now I can find your user ID. This is my user ID of the Telegram, my friends. So if you want, also you can find the user ID of Telegram, my friends. Friends, to find out your user ID on Telegram, it's an easy process, right? Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.